let's talk about protection relays. Yeah. For some reason, somebody decided that protection relay are not necessary. Protection relays are for pussies, yeah. So we don't need it. Let's just jump it off. Jump all the connections straight to the speakers, so we can get a big nice thump on the speakers, and not having any DC protection, not having anything. Nah, it's not required. Anyway, stop the ranting. This, as incredible as it might seem, where is the manufacturer? Okay, yeah, Omron still manufacture these guys. Right, if you go on the table here, they say, yeah, for 24 volts DC, you have to have a coil with 662 ohms, 1.5 amps per contact, and they are parallel, so yeah. Well, we have three options here, right? So all of them pretty close. You see 662, exactly the same as the manual dictates, right here. So we have one candidate here. The pinout is completely different, but it doesn't matter. It's a Matsushita one. 10 amps per contact, more than enough to handle the power for this guy here. And we have the Brazilian equivalent, Shrek. Yeah, we have to take care of the normal close contacts because they're not connected here on this board. They only care about the NA, normal open. Sorry, yeah, NO, not NC. Sorry, Portuguese. Yeah. Anyway, this is also a candidate, 664 ohms, but the contacts are only rated at 3 amp. It's enough for this guy here. Then we have this Mexican-made option here, 640 ohms, yeah. And also this other Japanese brand here, Isumi. Yeah, another candidate, not too bad. 700 ohms. So all of these, they fit in here, right? So I opted for this one because it's much beefier. You can see the size of the contacts if you compare this with this. Can you see? Huge contacts here. So instead of ganging up 2 and 2, we're going to a single contact. I have to do an extension anyway on this pinout, so I don't need to do extra holes in this board here. I don't have the exact so I'll extend the contacts, right, and just put it on top. That's what we're gonna do. Of course, we have two options. Either the guy did this because something on the IC that controls this DC protection is damaged, or he fried the contacts and didn't have anything to replace it with. So the only way to know about this is put this guy in there and see how the protection system behaves. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, I don't have any solid wire, 0.5 millimeter square, so I had to sacrifice some 6K8 resistors. I have a bag of those, and I have no solid wire, solid copper wire. So yeah, sorry, one has to do what one gotta do what it's gotta do, right? Anyway, I'll snip it off and let's put it on the board, and hopefully all the terminals here are going to give us the necessary clearance that we want, and everything is going to be fine. Nothing is simple with the SANSUI. Luckily, I have the habit of putting the series lamp. Look, there's not a biggie, right? It was working before, but check it out. Fuck me. What is this? What is this? Check the outputs, no oscillations. Can you see here? Maybe this guy. Let's clean this out. Yeah. That was the guilty party. There you go. That's more like it. Click. No click. There's the little LED here. Save 12 for 8. No click. All right. At least we can start troubleshooting right now. So there's something else beyond the relay. Yep. Remember that glue that gets acid and corrodes everything? Look at that. Huh? But take a look at this. Jesus Christ. Let me clean this up, replace this guys here, and put it back to work to see if our speaker relay latches on. Oh my God. And I'll clean the board as well. Do you guys want to hear the sweet sound of success? Yes. 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 After all, the only corroded part was our 10 microfarads here. You see how, you know, crunchy and corroded it is. It's a few nanofarads. Yeah, that's the timer. I put the AJ on a socket right here, and the spot is on the dim bulb. Check this out. Ha ha ha! You hear that? Let's hear it again. Let's hear it. Oh, let's watch it from the top. Wait. Remember, it's with a little bit less voltage, but I think we can hear them clicking. Haha! Took forever, but it did. Yeah, you can see that in there, right here. Let's do it again. Haha! Me and my big mouth. Do it again. You saw it? There you go. There you go. There you go. Victory. And now we have the LED. Aha. One step closer to perfection. Power it on. Wait forever. Not forever. You saw that? Yeah, let's repeat it. Let me keep my big mouth shut. There you go. Perfect.